Guys, just wanted to show you that this is my little refrigerator that I have, and it is the small size. I do have a full-size refrigerator, but right now I'm working on this one because my full size stopped working. The whole freezer side does not work, and on this side I have food. It slightly works, but I'm having to channel my faith to see if I can win the lottery or something and get myself a new refrigerator. But for now, I'm just relying on my prayers to make that happen. And hopefully I can have a full-size refrigerator. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.